Hi, some times ago we posted a content on the different learning styles, and since then we've received questions from people asking how they can develop their less dominant learning style. So in this video I'm going to break that down in 3 major steps. Step number 1 is identifying your dominant and less dominant learning style. Step number 2 is engaging with materials that are in those learning styles that you're trying to develop. So for example, if you're trying to develop your auditory learning, you must intentionally engage with auditory materials like audiobooks and podcasts and maybe voice notes. For people that are trying to develop their read and write learning style, you must be willing to summarize everything you've studied in your other dominant and learning style and be able to do that in a very short, concise manner. And also, through constant journaling, you are able to also develop that learning style. For people trying to develop their visual learning style, you must be willing to use images, draw mind maps, or visually create figures that would help you to interpret everything you've read, either via audiobooks or via written books, and to put that into context. For people trying to develop that kinesthetic learning style, you must be willing to carry out experiments and simulations, or maybe even review everything you've studied while you take a walk. Step number 3 will then include you using all these styles to study. So for example, your dominant is maybe audio, your auditory learner, you must be willing and intentionally able to use your less dominant style to study at every time. So you listen to podcasts, you must be able to write what you think they're saying down. You must be also willing to create images, mind maps around that, and you must also be able to review this loudly, maybe while you take a walk. So in the next video, I will be sharing with you how we were able to use step 3 to help a student